So hey everybody, I am at Galleria Chevrolet in Dallas, Texas, and man, I happened to be passing by and saw that they had some nice Corvettes in the showroom, so I figured let's stop and take a look. This is a competition yellow Z51 C8 Stingray, and man, this spec is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That competition yellow color, yellow's not really been my color, but this looks amazing. And it's got the yellow seat belts inside, so that's a nice touch. Otherwise, it's got a black interior. It looks like it's 1LT. At least it's got the 1LT seats. Let's take a look. It's actually a 2LT Stingray Coupe, but it's got the 1LT seat. And man, let me tell you, this is a nice spec. This color is actually beautiful. Really liking this competition yellow. The Accelerate yellow was a little bit extreme for me, so didn't really like that all that much. But boy, I tell you what, take a look at the engine there. Looks really, really good. And let's see, is she open? Yes, it is. So let's take a look inside at this interior. All right, so it is a front lift. So we do have the front lift. Not sure if it's a magnetic ride or not. I'd have to take a look at the sticker. It's got the 1LT seats, and it is a 2LT Z51. So very, very nice spec. And let me tell you, Galleria Chevrolet here in Dallas, Texas, definitely has a few beauties. Let's go take a look at a few more. And so this is a 2LT non-Z51. It's got the low wing spoiler. What I really like about it is all of the color matched bits on this. HTC, so hard top convertible. This is actually a really, really classy spec. Very, very nice. Looks very exotic. I like the style. Actually, when you have all white, it's actually a really nice look, and it's got red touches in just the right places. And oh man, let me see. Let's take a look inside and see what we have inside. And so, whoa, sorry, we have the red interior here. Nice touches, nice red stitching throughout. It has the 1LT seats, and so this is a nice one. Very, very nice touch. And so as you know, the carbon flash metallic is gone for this year, but we have a very nice gloss black hardtop convertible with the new Habanero interior. Wow, that's amazing. I tell you, it's really bright on screen, and this is the two-tone seats, but I can tell you that is a very, very sexy looking color. It reminds me of persimmon. So not quite, you know, a lot of people would say orange, but not really orange. It's more like persimmon. Well, habanero is what they call it. So that's the color. This is a nice touch. It looks like this is a 3LT based on all of the Alcantara bits inside. Definitely a nice look. And man, I tell you, a lot of times the screen doesn't really tell you the truth. But this is a beautiful color. I really, really like the habanero. And this is at Galleria Chevrolet in Dallas, Texas. Man, come check them out. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Love it. Now this is a very interesting spec. So this is a 2LT Coupe Z51. As you can see, it's torch red. It's a 2LT. It's got the new Z51 spoiler that's not quite as high as the high wing spoiler. And actually, in person, it looks pretty good. I must say, I like it a lot better than the Z51 spoiler that's on my car, which is a 23. Interesting that it has these yellow calipers. Definitely stands out. Kind of puts you in the mind of something you might see on a Ferrari. Let's take a look inside. Inside, you can see that this has the natural dipped interior, which is a nice touch. It's an interesting combination of natural dipped interior, torch red car with yellow calipers. And so Galleria Chevrolet here in Dallas, Texas, definitely have a nice set of Corvettes here in their showroom, and I hear that they are getting a Z06 pretty soon, and it's supposed to be coming in Hysteria Purple, I believe. So man, if you're in the market, get over here and see Galleria Chevrolet.